Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you all how to do a sock bun with a little doodad, whatever this is. I don't know, this is not a sock, but this circle thing. And then I'm gonna show you how to do it without one of them. So we'll move into this one first because this is like the fastest. So I already put my hair up in a ponytail because I have to like put my head upside down and then brush it all up because I'm really bad at putting my hair in a ponytail. So you're gonna take this thing, put your hand like in it kind of. You're gonna take your hairs, you're gonna grab them, and then you're just gonna pull them through this circle here. Then you're gonna have this like Madonna back in the day thing going on. Alright, now we're just gonna take like the front chunk of hair. You're gonna take it and kind of spread it out. My hair is a lot longer than it used to be, so hold on a second. I'm just gonna take this, we're just gonna pull it there, kind of pin that under, like so, do you see? And then I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and just kind of pin those hairs into place. Alright, now I'll take this side chunk here, we're gonna fluff it out. You're going to take this hair, just kind of push it under and in, and then again take a pin and just kind of place it in all those hairs you just pulled back that way. So far we got this chunk kind of done, and we're going to just kind of move your hair around, make sure it's covered. I'm going to take another chunk here. We're going to just spread that one out as well. Kind of push it in and under into this thing here. And we're going to pin those here. Then you take this back chunk here, which is like huge. You're just going to shove it in to this back area here. Kind of push it up in there. And you're going to take some pins and pin the sides. This little hair here needs to be pinned. And then you're just going to take the excess hair. You're going to take it and just kind of wedge it on down in there and pin that. And then this spot here needs to be pinned. Just have to take all the little tails and pin them in as well. Okay, now I'm just gonna make sure everything's covered. There's gonna be a few pieces that are a little loose, so just take a pin and push those down so they're tighter. Okay, everything is pretty pinned. So just take some hairspray, just kind of spray around, get some of those little flyaways. If you have like any layering or anything in your hair where it's not fully even. And then what you can do is take the back side of a comb and just kind of like smooth everything out. And that is a sock bun with a little donut thing. Super easy, not too crazy, not hard. Probably faster than doing it without it, but when you're doing it without the sock thingy, you can do it pretty much bigger or smaller depending on what you like. So that's that with this. I can't see it. So you shake your head. When it's like this, it feels so cool. So this is this look, like this. Now I'm going to take this down and I'm going to show you guys how to do it without this thing in your head. Alright, so I just took that one down. My hair's back into the ponytail. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do it without the sock button. So I'm going to take this quick Tease spray. I'm just going to take like this front chunk here. And then I'm going to take this spray and just spray it kind of on this piece. Then we're going to take this comb, kind of back comb the underside of this. Kind of give it a nice fluff. Then you're going to take this piece of hair and you're going to just roll it. And then you can pin it kind of where you want it. You just take a bobby pin, pin this side, and take the other one, and pin the opposite side. And you just want to kind of fluff that out a little bit. So that's the front part. Then you're going to go back and take a side piece. Spray this into a little bit. I'm just going to take a comb, back comb, and then again you're going to take this and kind of roll it. Try to make it as even with the first roll you made. And pin one side. Then the other. Then what you want to do is kind of fluff those out and then merge them into one another kind of. And then what you want to do is pin those together. Looks crazy right now. Alright, then take the opposite side. Spray this teasing stuff in it. Then you're gonna back comb. And you're gonna take this, roll it, that's being not cooperative with the other one. Okay. Then pin. And then you're going to take the hair again, kind of merge them into one another, and then you want to pin those together. And then we're going to take the back, spray that. Then we're going to back comb. And I cannot see the back down here, so we're just going to go for it. We're just going to take a bobby pin and pin it. if you're like in your bathroom doing this, you can like take like a mirror and look at the back to see what you're doing. I'm just going for it and hoping for the best. And what you want to do is fluff them out enough to have them merge. They pin these together back. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the final look. You just have to pin that back side over here together as well. I made it a lot bigger with my hair by itself instead of with the sock bun, just because it only can be this size unless they have bigger ones, but I think this is a pretty large one actually. So then what you want to do is just spray. Make sure you get your little baby hairs. Take your comb again. Just kind of swoop up on the back. We all have those little cute hairs that like to come out back there. And then you can check here. Smooth it all out. And there's your sock bun without a sock or anything to support it other than your hair. And you can tease it tighter if you want it smaller. You can tease it bigger if you want it bigger. You can make it super messy. You don't have to make it so uniform if you don't want to. But yeah, so this is the final look, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. But so that's it. Easy, not too hard. You just have to back comb quite a bit and then place it where you want it, pin it all together, and you're good. If you guys would like to see more hair videos, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a good rest of your night. Bye guys!